name's Robert Ludwig, and I'm here with Dynamic Fitness. And we're going to demonstrate the proper way to unpackage the bolts for a pre-core treadmill. First off, you want to have a very nice sharp knife and always cut away from yourself. Safety first when doing this. Make a very thin cut around the plastic, around the total outside edge. Don't go too deep. Bring it like that. Once you've done that, grab this, rip the plastic off, dump off whatever washers will come off. Make sure you get all your parts together, and whatever's left in the plastic packaging, just push out with your thumbs. You notice you don't want to get the red part of the packaging on the plastic, or it makes it very difficult to press them out of the packaging. So from there, it's just a matter of pulling everything out of the package, putting them all together in an orderly fashion to make it quicker to put the treadmill together. Some parts get a little bit caught in the plastic, so they take a little more effort than others. But all in all, you should be able to press them out pretty fast in that manner. If you caught, just got to press it through. Get them all together. And there you have it. Unpackaging the bolts for the pre-core treadmill.